Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about how the Mustang wheel spacers work. Let's go. Wheel spacers are aftermarket parts that are placed between the hub assembly and wheel. The role of this part is to increase the distance from the wheels to the hub assembly, thus achieving the position of the wheels to push outward. The position of the wheels will bring many benefits. No matter what part on the modified car need to be safe. The American car hub assembly uses lug nuts to fix wheels, and it needs bolt-on wheel spacers. Its principle is to fix wheel spacers through lug nuts on the hub assembly. The alignment is through wheel stud and hub centric. Wheel spacers come with lug nuts on each wheel stud for stuck wheel stud fixing. After installing spacers, the lug nuts for fixing the wheels come from the stock wheel nuts, which correspond to the contact surface and the correct torque to ensure maximum clamping force. The spacers' outward adjustment position brings many benefits. The first point is the direct change in appearance. Most of the vehicles in the wheel's factory setting are in favor of conservative offset data, which lead to the appearance of the wheels protected in the phenomenon of depression in fenders. The second point is to allow for bigger brake kits. If you want to upgrade a bigger brake kit, which often require more space for installation, wheel spacers are used to provide more space for the wheel and brake to avoid friction, so you don't have to worry about this brake kit rubbing against the wheel. Wheel spacers bring in more satisfaction in appearance and hardware. At the same price, Bonus Forge FT Cooling wheel spacers provide more useful advantages. It can dissipate brake heat better because Bonus FT Cooling wheel spacers come with heat dissipation grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of effectively dissipating heat from the braking system. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!